Alright, so hey y'all, I'm really sleeping. And this might not ever get posted, but so it's Friday night. Yeah, it's Friday night, and I'm about to take off my face mask, and I'm really sleepy, but I need to catch up on some YouTube videos. So y'all gonna watch me take off my face mask and on my scalp and just get ready for bed. So let me okay, hopefully I don't get copyrighted for shows in the background. I don't know, but I hope not. So I like to take stuff off with a wipe first and then water. Could be. I also don't normally do stuff this way. I'm just doing it because I'm really lazy right now. So if you cannot tell in my voice, extremely lazy. I don't even feel like talking. So this is pretty hard though, so I just like to get off what I can. But I'm about to go get the rest off with some warm water, and then I'll come back and we'll finish. I know it's pretty weird that I'm starting to vlog at nighttime and not during the day, but whatever. Alright, so I'm back, and when I was washing my face, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna make this a vlog. We're just gonna do like a nighttime routine. So normally the face mask would be me like washing my face, and I wash my face with CeraVe, however you pronounce it. I wash my face with this. As you can see, it's the hydrating facial cleanser. Or I'll use the Neutrogena acne bar. It just depends. And so my next step, I go between two facial moisturizers. For the most part, I'm really like only use one, which is the Neutrogena facial moisturizer with SPF 15 or 30, but I've been using Pond's lately. I don't have dry skin, but I actually have rather oily skin. However, you'll find that like most of the facial moisturizer products, let me turn my TV down, y'all. Alright, so I got my TV turned down. This, I don't know what this is going to be titled, but the word impromptu is definitely going to be included in it. I promise you. So I just go in with my Pond's and moisturize all over my face. I also sometimes do this next product all over my face. I keep stepping on something. I don't like that. Okay, I also will sometimes do this all over my face. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do. So now I'm gonna go in with my Carmex. I love going to bed with moisturized lips. Like, like we get that we're going to bed, but you can be, look, you can be fine going to sleep, okay? I know, because I'm fine going to sleep every night. So I'm gonna bring my camera back on this side where it was to begin with, and this stuff in the air is like dust basically, from this light right here, so don't mind it. All right, and then so of course you can see I just got these braids, and I think I oiled them like once so far. I'm not really sure. But I'm gonna go in with my Africa's Best herbal oil right here. Got this from Walmart and I absolutely love it. It has the, like, well, let me open it and show you. This circular opening and not like the nozzle one, but it's fine. Actually, guys, I'll be right back. All right. The third angle, and I don't know how many minutes, but it's fine. We got us a good angle now. I actually have y'all on my tripod right now, so. But we left off at me showing you like the little nozzle part, and really, I just go to random places of my scalp and oil it. I toss it this. Ooh, that hurt it, because these are very much still fresh. You don't want to do too much, because like if you sweat in the head, it may itch a lot, so you definitely don't want that. So that's literally it. Now when the braids grow out a little bit, I'll do like an updated video if you want to show you what I would do to my edges, but I literally don't really have anything. If there's a spot where your edges are a little bit tender, that's what I'm doing. You saw me specifically put oil right here and right here, and that's what I'm doing. If you have like a part of the edges that are a little bit thinner than the other parts, or whatever the case may be, I like to focus some oil right there. And then we're gonna come back with our scarf. If you've watched at least one of my hair videos, you've seen this scarf. I love it, but I hate it because it's so big. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. And then take my bonnet, and I like to make sure, because I have a big scarf, that my braids are covered up in the scarf, because my hair is like 90% of these braids, so gotta make sure the real hair is secure. As you can see, I have on a sweatshirt. Y'all, we don't sleep in sweatshirts. I don't care how cold it is, we're not sleeping in a sweatshirt. So be right back. All right, so we are back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I don't know if I've been making eye contact with y'all the whole time. I have no idea. I'm so sorry if I haven't, but just changed into a short sleeve shirt, so we are about to hop in the bed. Of course, I'm about to take my necklace off. I wear this necklace a lot. This is a butterfly, a little bit of face mask left, and this is the face mask that I was wearing. Freemans Clay Mask Avocado. I've had this for almost a year now. It's good for 36 months. I remember buying it like in June or July, so I've had it, it's like the end of April, almost a year. Not really, but I'm almost done. So, and I do this a lot, so dang, time flies. But this is a butterfly necklace that I got from Coach. I don't know the normal price. I got it for like $25, but I think we both know that's not the normal price. Anyway, thanks for watching my very, very, very impromptu night routine. I don't know, it's supposed to be a vlog, but yeah. Anyway, thanks so much. I have a video coming, and I just wanted to upload this one until that one uploads. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That gets you entered in the giveaway. If you don't know anything about a giveaway, go to my channel or get into the description box and you'll see that video. If y'all have any video requests, please leave them in the comments. And yeah, I hope y'all have a good night. Hope y'all have a beautiful night, and just continue to be blessed, to be happy. If you don't think you've been blessed, if you don't think you've been happy, then I challenge you to find the blessing in your life, because I like literally guarantee you there's something. So good night.